Next, propanaldehyde. Propanaldehyde. Propanaldehyde means now here this is propanaldehyde molecule. Now this is the eclipsed form, and this eclipsed form, now here only hydrogens are there. So if you observe here, we have two methyl groups, but here only one methyl group. Now that's why we are reducing the structure from 5 to 4 only. So depends on the molecule also, we get the conformations. The hydrogen and the methyl group, and then so this is 120 degrees rotation, this is 0 degrees rotation, this is when the methyl group here 120, so this is 180 degrees rotation. Sorry, here is the methyl group 180, and here is the methyl group. Hydrogen is here and hydrogen is here, and the next one keto group with hydrogen 90 degrees rotation. 90 degrees rotation. So in general, to explain purpose, I wrote in a sequence 0 to 60, 60 to 90, 90 to 120, 180. But how they ask, they give the structures or they give the rotations, they give the angles, and ask you to write the stability order. Now depends on the angle, we have to write the stability order. Now we have to write the stability order to the propanaldehyde. So 0 degrees have the more, 0 degrees have the more, please don't disturb me, Candy. First structure have more stability than the third structure 120 degrees. Why? Because they are Gaussian to each other. So here is the third structure stability. And next one 180 degrees partially eclipsed structure. So if you observe, more eclipsed have more stability than the Gaussian structure. So this is Gaussian. If you write the conformation, first one is more eclipsed, then the partially eclipsed, then the 180 degrees strained molecule, then after the this one fourth structure 90 degrees rotation. So if they give the 60 degrees rotation, this methyl groups comes little bit upside. So that's it. So how they give the question, they give the compound and give the rotation, write the stability of the order. So this way we have to write the structures and give the stability of the unsaturated compounds. And the next third one is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde means CH3, C double bond O H. So this is acetaldehyde. Now we have to write the conformations. So first one, eclipsed form. We should write the eclipsed form. Here we have hydrogens only. One hydrogen, one CH3 is there. So only hydrogens. Hydrogen and keto group have steric. And another structure. Now this keto group and the hydrogen next. So here hydrogen, when we rotate here, hydrogen comes here and another hydrogen comes here. So if you write the continuation structure, only the rotation of the hydrogen takes place, like this. Now here is the hydrogen, and then this hydrogen, a hydrogen, hydrogen. So this is up to 60 degrees and it is 90 degrees. No strain present. Why? Because we have simply hydrogen atoms. No strain present. Only first molecule. Because of the unsaturated keto group and this hydrogen have a strain. So that's why this is the more stability than this one, Gaussian structure. And then after this one. Now the stability order, first structure is more stable than the second structure, is more stable than the third structure. Because of the presence of simple hydrogen atoms, there is no strain present. Okay, so that's why Eclipse should have more stability than the Gaussian. So this is Gaussian molecule. Next, another example, propene. Propene. Now we are discussing about the unsaturated conformations. So we have the different features in saturated and unsaturated conformations. Now propene, that is CH3, CH2. Now here we have to write the conformations to this structure. So first CH3, CH. So here we have double bond to this one. So first CH2. So this is CH2. Now this is one CH. So this carbon hydrogen. Now we have hydrogens. Same hydrogens, which is in the form of eclipsed manner. Only we have eclipsed with the carbonyl compound only. Why? Because we don't have two substituents, only one substituent. So hydrogen and this hydrogen places here only. Now this is eclipsed form. Then after Gaussian structure. Now in these two hydrogen, one is present in plane and one is present in out plane. Now this is the hydrogen out plane, hydrogen in plane, and the hydrogen of the CH. Next hydrogen comes here, and here is the hydrogen, and here is the hydrogen. So these are Gaussian to each other. And the next structure, when the hydrogen comes here, that is 120 degrees rotation. Hydrogen, and here is the hydrogen. So this hydrogen up to 120 degrees rotation. Next hydrogen. So this is the first one, second one, and third one. 0, 60, 120. Now the stability order, first one is greater than second one is greater than third one, because there is no molecule, there is no bulk atoms are there, simply we have hydrogen atoms. So that's why first compound and second compound consider in the stability order. Eclipsed form has the more stability than the Gaussian form. And the last example, fifth one, 1-butene. 1-butene. So this is the last example of the unsaturated compound. Now the butene structure here, name conformation CH2 and CH3. So this is 1-butene. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1-butene. Now based on this carbon we have to write. So first we have CH2. So here is the CH2 and this carbon have hydrogen. This one completed. Next we have CH3. Sorry, CH2, CH3. That means here we have the CH3. We'll write here CH3 and hydrogen and hydrogen. So this is eclipsed form. Eclipsed form about 0 degrees rotation. Then after we get the Gaussian structure. One hydrogen is back side, one hydrogen is front side. This is the front hydrogen. These are very, very important structure. They look same, but very, very important questions. Saturated compounds and unsaturated compounds. Just to write the conformations only. That only you have to do in the exam. Methyl group. The hydrogen. Now this one goes to each other. Then the last structure. Hydrogen and hydrogen. Here is the first carbon hydrogen. And then methyl group. Next hydrogen. And here is the hydrogen. So this is hydrogen and methyl group. Now the stability order. So this is 180 degrees, this is 120 degrees, and it is 60 degrees rotation. Now the stability order of the compound. Now in the stability order, so first structure. So first structure have more stability than the third structure. And the second structure. So this second structure have less stability than the third structure and the fourth structure. So this is the fourth structure and it is third structure. So first one more eclipsed and third one is okay. Third one is greater than the second one is greater than the fourth one. So here is the unsaturated conformations in butanol, propanaldehyde, acetaldehyde, and propene and 1-butene. So these are the conformations and stability orders. Understood? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. I will post these papers once you check it, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, see you tomorrow.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.